Hey guys, Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review of the Vice Cosmetics Phenomenal Lip Kit. So this is what it looks like. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll be walking around like lifeline, hoping to make a good time last a while. Racing around the mini bar, just catching up to where you are. I'll take any excuse, So right over here is the Phenomenal Lip Kit, and this one is retailed for about 2,250 peso. And inside this package has about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lip kits. So this is what it looks like. And let's go ahead and try out one by one. So the shades goes from lighter to darkest. Okay, so it looks really nice, and it is very big, like as you can see. So right now I'm going to start from lightest to darkest, and the first one we have is called, so this one is Itaglavu. And this is what the packaging look like. It does kind of remind me of like a Kylie Jenner packaging, and that's what I've heard from a lot of YouTubers and people that actually use this one. So right now I do not have anything on my lips. So it says here this is a velvet liquid lipstick with a retractable lip liner, which is really good because I am not a big fan of sharpening lip liner. I always mess that up and it becomes shorter and shorter and shorter. Retractable is kind of like, you know, you can just twist it and, you know, it's perfect. So it says here it's ultra soft, cloud-like, and hydrating, so that is really good. So I do have a very sensitive lips, so before I do apply any lip product on my lips, I use this Vaseline Lip Therapy, and as you can see, it's been used and abused. So this is what it looks like, and let's go ahead and try out Itaglavu. Okay, so what happened here? You can see that? Okay, usually it should be painted onto the container, but I think they just literally just put a sticker. You can see they just put a sticker there. Okay, and then let's go and look at, oh, I like the packaging. It's really pink and it has a frosty glass. That's really cute. So this is what they look like. I'm going to show it to you up close. So packaging wise, they're very cute and I love them. So let's see what they look like on me. Oh, see, when I apply lip liner that has a cover, I usually put it at the back, you know, like pencils and pens, but apparently this one you can't, and if you do, you're gonna risk breaking the stickers that they put there. Like, you can't, see? Focus on the pen, not on my face. There you go. So you really cannot put it in. Like, you can't. So it says retractable, which is really good. So you can like pull it up and down however you want. Oh, this one is like in a light pink shade. Okay, so that's that. I do not like to overline my lips. I like to keep it the same place where my lips is, so it's not that visible because it is light pink. So now let's move on to the liquid lipstick, and go ahead. It does look a little bit dry, the formula, but let me go ahead and do it on my lips first. Alright, so this shade is really nice for like an everyday look. It is very subtle and it makes you look young and bright. So this is the lip swatch, and I'm going to swatch them on my arm for you guys to see what it looks like on my arm. So holy shit, I wasn't recording. I wasn't recording the lip swatches for this one. I am so sorry. I thought I was recording and I was talking. Don't you just hate that? But anyway, I'm not going to do it all over again. I'm just going to show it to you. So this is the swatch. So as you can see, this one is the first one is like on the pink side, and this one, the second one that I've tried on, is on a peach side. So this is what they look like. So like I said earlier, I made the most stupid mistake, but I thought it was recording, but it was not. So yeah, the second shade that I have on right now is called Isgaravu. And do correct me if I'm saying it wrong. So this is what it looks like. There you go. So that is what this shade looked like. I apologize. I know I'm not going to let it happen again. So let's move on to the next one. The next shade is called Kumelavu. So am I pronouncing this right? I feel I'm not pronouncing them right. I'm really sorry. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is Kumelavu. Let's see. It looks more of like a rose finish. So the first one was a light pink, and the second one was like a peach tone. And this one is a kind of like a darker pink. Like I said, it has like a rose thing to it. So let's go ahead and apply it on my lips. Okay, so for this part, it's really showing. That's because I didn't apply a lot of lip balm. But I think I'm going to regret that later on because it's going to burn my lips. So let's go ahead and apply the lipstick. I like this color. This is something that you're gonna wear if you go party. That is so cute. It gives you that classy first date kind of vibe, so it's really nice. It is darker, which is really nice for light complexion like me. I do not have such a light complexion. I think I have like in between dark and light. So yeah, so let's go ahead and swatch that in my arm. On my arm, sorry. Again, my swatches is really bad. I'm really not good with swatches. So that is the lip liner. And this is the liquid lipstick. so right now my lips is literally burning. I've already tried out 1, 2, 3 shades. So this is the 4th shade, and this one is called Give the Voo. Alright, so this one, ooh, this one looks a lot like bright red, and this is my favorite shade. See, some of the retractables are actually short, which is I really like, so I feel that the other one, there's something wrong with it because it's too tall. So I feel like if I press hard enough, it's gonna break. So yeah, sorry about that. That's very odd. Why does it look pink? It looks pink on my lips. Okay. Why is the lip liner? Okay, so the lip liner looks pink, and I don't know why, and you're gonna see later on when I swatch it on my arm. So it looks like this would look nice on a black dress, and I think it's more of like a classy kind of vibe when you go to a very classy restaurant or party. I think this would look so nice with a black dress. It's so perfect. I love it so much. I love this shade. So let me go ahead and do the swatches on my arm. So as you can see, it is pink. Like, I don't know why the liner is pink, but let's go ahead and move on with the other one. So this is the liquid lipstick. And so yeah, my lips are burning, so I think this video would only consist of 4 light shades. Well, not really, but from light to medium shade, and then later on it's going to be all dark shade. I do need to give my lips a rest. Some of us don't like really long ass videos, so I'm going to split this into 2. So this is what I'm going to do for this video. I'm going to put 4 first and then 4 in the second part. So yeah, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!